how to use Bitget coupon. For that, open your Bitget exchange, and here on the home page, in order to get the insight of the coupons that you have, you need to tap on the rewards option. After that, you will be landed on the rewards center, where in the top you will have the coupon center. So once you tap on the coupon centers page, you will be landed on the coupon center section, where you will have the rewards section, where you can view all of the rewards that you have in your account. Currently I don't have any rewards, that's why it is showing me that no coupons found, but over here in the reward section you will be able to see all of the coupon codes that you have. Now in order to activate them, you just have to select the coupon code that you want to activate. Once you tap on that, you will be able to see the use option. So tap on the use option and complete the task, with the help of which you can easily use that coupon code. If you want to view some exclusive tasks, you can even tap on the exclusive tasks option, and here you can get further coupon codes. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.